Hi guys, welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show. Today I'll be giving you an oven bake fish recipe. Now guys, here you see a list of my ingredients: my basil, garlic, my lemon juice, I ran out of lemon itself, my olive oil, and just a list of seasoning that I used to marinate my fish that I caught last night, over 3 pounds. Now I marinated it in some olive oil, some lemon juice, and yes, the parsley and garlic. So guys, let's get this show started. Now guys, I'm gonna strip my garlic cloves or pegs or bulb, as many words. Just gonna take the shell off so I can cut them up in little cubes. Get rid of these stuff. So guys, here I have my garlic pegs. Up next guys is my parsley. Next guys, I'm just gonna use some lemon juice. And then my olive oil. Now let's get the preparation started for the fish. So guys, here's my fish that I'm getting ready to add to the tray. Okay guys, so I had a little more ingredients in the background, which is my bell peppers, well of course, and my tomato. You know I love colors. Here I have my foil paper guys, and as I said, I'm going to be preparing the fish now to add to the tray. So now I'm gonna just move over the fish, get the tray. I'm out of space guys, so just see with me. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use parchment paper to lay the fish on. Now you can use file paper as well, but I choose to use the parchment paper. So guys, I'm going to try and maneuver. Guys, you should smell the aroma of this seasoning. It is so potent. So what I'm gonna do now guys, I'm going to just gently lift these up and place them onto the sheet. Of course this side, I'm going to rub up the seasoning some more on this side. So guys, remember the olive oil will prevent it from sticking. This is a piece of the fish that I filleted, so the belly part, so I'll just put that in. Get some of the parsley and just put it over it. I'm going to set this aside after I pour some of the oil. Now guys, I've already set my oven to 350, so actually 375 degrees. So guys, take a look at it. I'm gonna get my hands washed up. Look at it guys. Now guys, now I'm going to add the herbs that I'm going to add on the fish. The rest of this is for the sauce, the lemon and garlic sauce that I'm going to be eating the fish with. So guys, let's get this on. So guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add my bell peppers. You just wanna spread it out so that it can look colorful and beautiful, as I always want all my dishes to look, guys, because I love to see the many colors. Okay, and then my tomato. You just want to just spread them over. Guys, look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. Just look at that, guys. Look at that. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, is I'm gonna cover it with the foil paper and then place it on the top rack of the oven. Foil paper is a little bit on the thin side, so I have to be very careful. Oh guys, the first piece tore, so I had to rip another piece. Now guys, what you want to do is you just I'm gonna cover it first before I do the final prep on it. This one a bit short, but nevertheless, guys, you just want to fold it over because it's gonna be baked. Now look at that, guys. Now I'm going to just place it in the oven. Okay guys, here you go, ready for it. Now guys, join me when I'll be taking it out for the final presentation. My oven baked fish. Now as I said, guys, this is a freshly caught fish. He's over about maybe 4 pounds, 3.5 pounds that I caught last night, and I just decided to fillet it and do this fish recipe. Thank you guys so much. Okay guys, so now I'm going to make the sauce. Gonna add the olive oil. Now guys, I'm gonna put everything in the description box below. I'm just gonna give that some time to heat up. Guys, I'm gonna add my lemon juice. Some butter, my parsley, and then my garlic. Just wanna mix that in. Turn up the stove a little bit, get that all melted. Now guys, if you want to add some salt to taste, you can add it. Okay guys, just took it out the oven after 20 minutes, and guys, I had add some asparagus. Look at that. Just look at that, guys. So guys, all I want you to do now is join me at the table. Guys, here we go. Look at that oven baked fish. Thank you guys so much for your continued support. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna dig down into this right now.